All right, this is the first video of 2021. I know you guys are probably wondering where I have been for the last month. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of crap, a lot of work. So yeah, I could hook you up, let you know how it goes right here in this video. And in this video, yeah, I've been doing a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do this little intro and I'm gonna get back on the update with the Jeep and let you guys know how far along I got with that, and hopefully we could keep it moving forward this year and get some more videos out, some more videos produced. I've been chilling too much. That's just the ultimate thing. At the end of the day, I was just doing a lot of chilling, just relaxing. But yeah, as you can see, I got some merch here. Can't see it, but anyways, yeah, pretty much been doing all this kind of work, just doing sign building signs, painting cars, 3D printing, pretty much doing everything but YouTube. So we're gonna get back on it though, so guys, stay tuned and hit that like, subscribe, and post notification button. Check out the links, Patreon link. I'm gonna start to do some affiliate links with Amazon to try to get you guys the products that you guys keep asking about, and you guys could click those links. With all that being said, we're just gonna keep on going with the video. laying out where I'm gonna put this side skirt at. I made these little brackets, 3D printed these brackets. Yeah, I did it in pink. That's all the filament I had, so I went ahead and did it in pink. But yeah, the brackets are little standoffs. They're gonna sit right up in here, right along the edge of the original skirt, the edge, and then it will connect to the plank of the wood. So I'm going to do that from the front, center, and the rear, and it should be the same on the next side. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just put these down and see how it comes out. That'll keep the wood even with the original skirt. So let's go ahead and try to install those. Alright, I got it. Here we are so far. Just got to screw in the side skirt now. It's all screwed in. Yeah, looking good. I still gotta smooth out this area to level it out to where I want the point to be, but pretty much looking good. Yep. So next move is to go ahead and spray foam. I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and put some paper over the wood so the foam doesn't stick. Cut you back on when it's finished. Bitty beat, that's all, folks. Well, anyways, like I said before, hit that like, comment down below, hit the post notification bell. Let me know what you guys think about the build so far, what I could improve on. Obviously, you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing, and if you guys think I should have a little change of pace or whatever, just let me know. Yeah, I wanna thank you guys for commenting down below, letting me know what you guys think about the videos. Everybody's been loving them, so I'm going to continue trying to make the best quality videos and try to improve the sound quality and all that other good stuff. Thanks, and I appreciate you guys. Hopefully we'll continue on with the build and we could get this exterior knocked out pretty soon and get on the interior, because I had a couple things I was doing already on the interiors. Hopefully we could get back in there. You guys haven't seen the interior yet, but y'all will be surprised. If I'm doing all this on the outside, you can imagine what I'm doing on the inside. See you guys next time. Peace.